Okay, what to do during week one? Well, I'm in I'm in summer pre-calculus. That's right. And when you first sign into the portal, this is your landing page. And of course, you click on modules, or somewhere here I should have my office hours, but I have them elsewhere. I'll add my office hours here, so you can just click on those. But what you do is click on modules. I'll put announcements here. Syllabus sometimes is wonky is really wonky in Canvas. I don't know if I would really use this that much. Yeah, see, those shouldn't be showing yet because those are week 5 stuff. But I guess it is showing me the week. This is showing me the week 1 stuff. So I would almost, in fact, I might move that so that you don't see it. But you should be getting a to-do over here. Well, let's see. Let's go to home. Do you get the to-do? I'm in there as a student. So yeah, so you get your to-do list, and that usually is the good way to do it. I would follow that. So modules I'm going to go to. So hopefully, if you haven't looked through this stuff, look at things to do before 5/26. This takes you out to this course syllabus. Grab a copy of it now because it goes away after the end of the course. So yeah, you can print it, and it just tells out how you're going to get graded. Gives the semester outline, 12 weeks. Wow, what we're going to do. To have Deb Grant, if you want to get a hold of her, and you got my email address right here. You can also send it to me through Canvas. So let's go back to Canvas here. Yeah, so modules, what do you want to do? So for week 1, which I just opened up for you, here's every week I'll have a document look similar to this. I'll tell you there's a quiz to do or not. Week 1, we don't have a quiz. And then we got to do all of chapter 1 this week, unfortunately, because they've only got 12 weeks to get through the whole course. And most of this should be a review. Now, some of you may like lecture, and taking notes. So this is what I use for my Oxbow students. They have a lot more time to do this because we get 36 weeks, not 12. But I've got a set of notes and a set of videos. What they do, what I try to do with those folks is that I send them home to watch video for homework, come in, answer questions. Then we do problems in class. Sometimes I'll vary it up a little bit, but it seems to work pretty well. Not every year it works, but this is all of my videos and my notes for chapter 1. Now, is it worth your time to look through these? Maybe. I would almost say do this. Come back here. I would certainly skim each chapter, skim each section. There's all these how to do answers. Then it would behoove you to do these exercises out of the book. I don't give you a grade for them. I don't want to see your work, but doing these exercises, or at least doing most of them, will help you. Will get you up to speed. You'll learn some tricks that you don't know. The math you don't know, and then when you go do the graded MyOpen math assignments, they'll go a lot quicker. You won't have to watch as many videos. You'll get a better grade, and you'll spend less time overall. Now, I say that, I know 3/4 of you won't bother, but they're always here. You can always do it. The other thing I want to point you out to is, I hope this takes you out. Yeah, this takes you out to the textbook website. What David Lippin and Melanie Rasmussen did is they have this all free online. Hopefully you downloaded a copy. If you haven't, download a copy. Here's this worked out solutions. For the most part, these are pretty good. Let's see how long it takes to download. I'm at school, so this should download pretty quickly. We'll see here. I know I've got them. I've already got these downloaded. Here we go. And you see what they've done is they've done all this for many of the questions. They've given the answer and the reasoning. And when you get down to the more mathematical ones, they show you a little more math, okay? I have a lot of this work already done too. So if you really want to see my work, you can. You'll have to suffer through my scroll. But certainly some of them. And if you can also ask in the discussion forums, I'll show you how to do it. Not like that. I don't know if you've seen that other video that I did. But this is available up to you. It's at that. It's if you just Google Lipman Precalculus textbook or Lipman Precalculus open text, this will pop right up, and they've made it all free. There's there's websites that use this stuff as a basis, and they charge you. They have a lot of bells and whistles, which is nice, but I like the way these people think when they wrote the book. So so that's why I like to use it. And can't argue with free, right? And my open math is free. So those are the exercises. Those are the answers. And then what you have to do to get graded on. So they've got these here. Let me come back to modules. You got to do these my open math exercises. They should click open like this, and hopefully you get your pop-ups turned off so that it doesn't block it. If this doesn't load like this, make sure your pop-up blockers are turned off, or you can at least turn them off for Canvas and my open math. And then what you can do is you're going to get a set of questions and you're going to answer them. Some multiple choice. You can navigate them. If you get something wrong, let me go to one that's not multiple choice. Suppose I type something in wrong here. Okay, submit questions. Everybody gets random questions. See, so right now I got 0 points for that. So I can try a similar question, and I don't get anything, any deduction now. And actually, what happens is this: submit the question. I couldn't have guessed that if I tried. Let me go to the next one. I don't believe I got that one right by guessing. So suppose suppose I say 1. I say 1 and I forget and I don't answer question there. Okay, see how I got 0 points on that? I should be getting, let's see, let's try it again. Let's pretend I get this right. Let's see, f of 2 is 4. And when y equals 2, x equals -1. Now, I don't think this is randomized because that's what I got the last time I did this. So you see, I got some points deducted here. So if I want to get full credit, I can try a similar question, and I get a brand new try. It'll add in here. Let me get this all right now. Oh, so weird. This one's not randomizing. I give it a check my settings. Usually they randomize it. F of 2 is 3. F of, let's see, when x equals 2, oh, this is randomized. Oh, good, it's a different answer, different problem. All right, F of 2 and y equals 2, x equals 1. Let's see if I get that right. See, now I've got 1 out of 1 point. So you can always, on these homework practice ones, you can do as well as you want. If you think a problem's broken, we can post it in the forum. Post some work too, that'd be great. Not a lot of work going on with this one, but or you can, if it's a quiz question, email me. Okay, you can screen capture. All right, so you get 6 of these to do. It's a little bit of work. My recommendations, I would say, it's going to take you some time this summer. It's not an easy course for the summer. Not an easy course during the regular semester either. I would try to pick these out 1 a day, and that way that won't be onerous. I mean, you see, you don't have that many questions. Some of them are a little longer than others. What's 1.2? So there's 12 questions here. Most of them will have video, not all of them. This has the video. Talk to it. You can message me. I hesitate to have you do this. It certainly works, and you can message me in this, but I don't always go out and look in my open math and see if I've got a message here. You're better off screen capturing and asking in the forum. Number one, you earn attendance points for it, and number 2, I'll get to it faster. Okay, so but you can certainly do it. If it's a quiz question and I am using my open math as a quiz, by all means do it this way. And you might want to send me an email too. And I'll make sure my settings are set up so I get an alert when I get this. Okay, so that's what you got to do for this week. Do all due by Monday night at Monday, June 1st at midnight. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't talk discussion forum posts. You do 2 discussion forum posts each week. You can do more, but you got to do 2. And I already posted an example of this is an example from a book, from textbook exercise, and I showed my work, and I've got a video that shows how to embed those. But you do one of these before Saturday each week, and then the other one can be done by Monday next week. You can do both before Saturday if you want. That would count. But you got to do the first one before Saturday. I'm trying to get you guys not to wait till the last minute to do work. Okay. Some of you have that figured out, and I know some of you don't. So, hey, I'm here to help. I'll make sure I'll go and post how to make an appointment with me for the office hours. I really want to help you guys. So book me, use my office hours. You have access to, let's see. You have access to the tutoring.org too, or tutoring.com. You can certainly use that. Some people really like it. Nice thing about it, they're available 24/7 or pretty close. Whereas I've got certain times that I'm available, but you're certainly welcome to use them. I don't even know where it is now. Usually it's here. I don't know if you see it. I'm asking you, do you see it? Student resources. It might be in the course. I don't know. Usually they keep it here. Okay. Anyway, this video is getting long enough. Give me a yell if you need help. That's what you're going to do during week 1. I'll have week 2 opened up. So if you get through this during Memorial Day weekend, you can take a break or work on it. If you get 6 sections, 1 a day, I would give you 1 day off. So most weeks aren't as intense, guys, but this stuff isn't so hard. I thought I'd rush through this stuff so that you could, so we'd have some time to spend with the stuff that's a little harder, a little more involved later on. Okay, yep, long enough video.